Prime Day is coming with a huge opportunity for sellers, and setting the best offers such as Prime exclusive discounts, coupons, and strike-through prices can be a resource to win the game. Hi, this is Sakib from Ecom Clips, and in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how you can set those offers. So let's start. Let's start with Prime exclusive discounts. These discounts are exclusively for Amazon Prime subscriber and can be offered not only on Prime Day but also all the year. To set up Prime exclusive discounts, your product must meet these criteria. So keep an eye on it. Now let's go to the screen. From Seller Central, go to Advertising, click Prime exclusive discounts. Now click Create Discounts. Give the name of your discount on the box, which is Prime exclusive discounts. So is this a Prime Big Day Deals discount? If yes, then click on it. Keep in mind the event fee is $50. You know this was free before, but now you have to spend money. Now click Save and Add Products. Then put the SKUs here, put the amount of discount and put a minimum price. After giving all of this, click Submit. Now look, you have scheduled Prime exclusive discounts for these two products. Here is another way you can try on it to utilize the Prime Day opportunities. If I show you quickly, in this search result, these listings stand out to me because of the discount they are offering. The price dropped from $19 to $18, which makes buyers feel like they are getting a great deal and winning by making the purchase now. Here you can see a line through the previous price. This is called the strike-through price. Now, by giving a strike-through price, you can easily grab the attention of customers. In this upcoming Prime Day, you should take a chance. So let's go to the screen. We're in the Manage Inventory page right now. From here, click on the three dots. Now, when you will click on Edit Listing, this page will open. We are now on this offer page. Scroll down to the Sale Price section. Enter the exact price you want to offer, like you are offering 20%, then calculate that and then offer the price. Next, fill up the start date and end date of the sale. Finally, click Save and Finish. This will automatically add a strike-through price based on your current sales data, just like one you can see here. Next, you can set a coupon for upcoming Prime Big Deals days to attract buyers. This is a great way to grab attention, as customers love getting discounts. By offering a coupon, your product will stand out more in search results, making it more likely to buy, and shoppers will click on it. To set a coupon on your listing page, from the menu on Seller Central, hover over Advertising and you will see the option for coupons. Click on that. In the right corner of the page, you will find two options. You can create a coupon on bulk, but for now, I'm going to show you how to create coupon manually. Now enter your product's ASIN. We are going to set up the coupon for this product. So click on Continue. Next, provide a start date and the end date. Now we are going to set a percentage off for this coupon, but you can also choose a dollar amount off. For the percentage discount, you can offer anywhere from 5% to maximum 50%. I'm going with 5% for this example. Next, let's set a budget. I'll enter 1000 here. It means that once the coupon has spent all the amount we are setting on the budget, the coupon will automatically stop. Now we need to give our coupon a title. Remember, we can use a maximum of 100 characters for this. There is also an option for striked promotions, which allows you to combine this coupon with other promotions such as percentage off or buy one get one offer. I will enable the option. Click on Continue and our coupon is ready. Let's say you're giving great offers, but hey, if customer can't see your listings in the search pages, what's the point? Now, proper SEO would help. Use proper keywords and highlight the key benefits. Make sure your images and videos are clear and eye-catchy. Another best thing is sponsored product ads, sponsored display ads. Running PPC is the fastest way to rank on Amazon right now, so give it a try. We have tons of videos on PPC ads. I'll give you the link in the descriptions below. And that's a wrap up. You have just learned how to set up Prime exclusive discounts, strike-through prices, coupons for Prime Day. These tools will help you to attract more buyers and boost your sales during this big shopping event. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for our upcoming videos. Don't forget to share your thoughts or comments in the comment box. Let me know how much you have earned in the last year Prime Day and what is your goal for this year. Happy selling, good luck, and see you in the next video. Peace.